Let's solve this system. We got xy is equal to 4, and 5x plus y is equal to 9. Now step 1. We want to pick the equation with the smallest powers. Now they both have the first power, but this one's actually x times y. So the simpler one is the second one. So we always want to go with the simplest one. We want the smallest powers, linear if possible. And we want to solve for the variable with the smallest powers. It doesn't matter, these are both the first power, but y is easier to solve for. So I take 5x to the right side, and we get y is equal to 9 minus 5x. Now step 2, we want to plug that into the other equation. So plug that into xy is equal to 4. Well, we just said y is equal to 9 minus 5x, so we're going to replace the y here with 9 minus 5x. So we got x times 9 minus 5x is equal to 4. X times 9 is 9x. X times negative 5x is negative 5x squared equals 4. Now we're going to solve this. This is a quadratic, so I want to get everything over one side. So I'll take the 9x minus 5x squared to the right side. And when you take anything across equals, the sign changes. The negative 5x squared becomes a positive 5x squared. The positive 9x becomes a negative 9x plus 4. This factors using the key number because we have x squared, x, no x, and there's a number for x squared. So this factors, how does this factor? Let's see, 1 and 4, negative, negative. Let me double check that. 5x squared minus 5x minus 9x. Okay, that checks. Zero factor property says you get 0 on one side, you factor the other side, you set each factor equals 0. So I'll set 5x minus 4 equal to 0, and x minus 1 equal to 0. Let's take the negative 4 over, it becomes a positive 4, divide both sides by 5, and we get x is equal to 4/5. And on this one, take the negative 1 over, and we get x equals a positive 1. Now step 3, we want to plug that into the equation from step 1. So we're going to take this and plug it into this y equals 9 minus 5x. It'll always be the perfect one to plug it into because it's always solved for the other variable. So we got y is equal to 9 minus 5 times 4/5. 5's would cancel here. We got 9 minus 4, which gives us y is equal to 5. So that answer would be 4/5, 5. This one, I'll plug the 1 in. So I got y is equal to 9 minus 5 times 1. Y is equal to 9 minus 5, which gives us y is equal to 4. So this answer would be 1/4. And those would be our answers.